Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do at this moment is show you a quick way of making a blended learning video that you can incorporate into your class, and it's using a particular software called TED-Ed. And what we're going to do here is blow this up. So now what this, if you were to go ahead and just type in ed.ted.com, it will come to the home screen and you click on the Create a Lesson tab. Now before you can do anything, it asks you to upload a video. So that will be, at this stage, it will be the video that you have, your screencast that you've uploaded to YouTube. So by this point you should have a URL ready to go. So if you just go ahead and put your URL in, this is something that I've just created. So that was the screencast that you've just watched. This is just by way of example, just to see functionally how this will work. And then if you could go ahead and double click on that, it will give you an example. Say, is this the one? And you say, yeah. You can choose any video from YouTube, by the way. So you can kind of get creative with this. And we can talk a little bit more about this. So there is just a screencast example. And you have your different sections, and this is where I believe that this particular program is fairly powerful, because you can have a kind of a logical progression to your lesson. So the first one is let's begin. So it's a quick introduction. So I'm just going to say hello. This is a screen cast example. Okay, and you can change that and you can make your welcome however you see fit. And then the next bit is our think component. So you can start answering a question. You can start posing questions. So what is best use of this screencast tech for you as, okay, and then we can dig deeper, and this is where we can add some links and some, as it says here, supplemental information. So you can start maybe creating some challenge for your students, some extension work, and what we'll do, we'll populate that in a moment. And then this is the bit that it starts maybe the blended kind of collaborative element of it. And this is your discussion. So let's say, what do you think of this cast tech? All right. Well, obviously, yeah, this is going to be a lot more advanced. This is just for the purpose of this quick demo. I'm going to save that. And then if you would like, you can go ahead and put a final thought in as well. And this could be a closing statement. This could be some formative assessment. It could be a picture at the end for them to think about for the start of the next class. Or you could have a link to additional documents and screencasts in and of itself. Okay, so let us go ahead and publish. Okay, so our lesson has been successfully published. So it says here, students must log in before they can respond to your page. Students can create a simple nickname to identify themselves. So there's a couple of different options trying to make things as easy as possible here. So my recommendation is that you would get them to maybe sign up for an account, especially if this is something they're going to invest in. Right, so let's take a look at, see what this lesson looks like. So we've got the watch, and if you go to the think, it goes into the bottom, the right corner there, and you can still play this in the background. There's your questions, and we can actually revise, and you can look at the analytics to see who's discussing. There's our discussion piece, and we can add a final thought here as well. So that is just very, very, very quickly a quick overview of how a TED-Ed lesson could be created, and I want us to create one ourselves. Thank you for listening, and I'll be walking around the room, so please ask me some questions.